Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chin Rodriguez, mamasagot siya of Faith Healer Ozo at Tarot. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin ng ating mga gabay. So this is something an urgent pasilip para sa dalawang athlete na namatay. Hagilapin natin at tuklasin natin, maaaring masagap natin sa energy nila. Ano talaga yung mga bagay na nangyari behind the scenes, yung posibleng nangyari. Silipin natin at alamin natin at tuklasin natin, guys. Alamin ko muna that of course kung ano yung pangalan nila. Wait lang. Hindi pala ako naka-ready. Once again, ito ay pawang gabay lamang ha. Pawang gabay lamang to upang masilip yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan, na maaaring mahagilap natin sa kasalukuyan. Kasi maraming nag-request dito dito sa ano na to, sa reading na gagawin natin. Ito na si Rene at si Divine. Alamin natin. At tuklasin natin, maaring masagap natin sa energy nila. Ano maaring makita, at mahagilap natin, Let's see. Just let's give me information po. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the question bell for more videos of me. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik-ligig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. In just spirit, please give me information, ano ka maaring nangyari at naganap, sa dalawang atleta, Let's see, just spirit, let's give me information po. Okay, there's a Four of Wands. May celebration, there's an event. May event dito, And the Empress card, something a mother figure, Meron about sa mother figure ako nasa sense. What is the teacher messages? And there's a hangman, something stuck, I feel something meron ditong pagtutol or paghadlang, na umalis, Na there's something, the hangman, something stuck or pause. Or there's a self-sacrifice, or maaaring nagkaroon dito ng parang sakripisyo or something. With the lovers, meron daw dito about din sa the lovers, Meron na about sa love life, or something related about sa love life, or there's a choices. And there's something, a page of sword. There's a gossip. May mga chismis or issues, or may mga pinag-uusapan dito behind the scenes. Merong talk no action, there's a gossip, insulting, something like that. Meron ditong parang alitan, may nasense akong alitan, meron kasing sarcastic or something dito na parang, kumbaga, hindi ata nagustuhan or hindi ata parang nagkaroon ng misunderstood. Because there's a Knight of Swords in reverse. There's something jealousy. Inggit. There's a jealousy. Meron ditong nainggit, nagselos. Let's see. What is the Four of Wands? And of course, there's something new. There's a Fool card. Meron daw ditong new begin. There's a new path. So, kumbaga, meron pag-asa dapat meron dapat na parang na-save dapat, yung situations na yun. Pero parang nahadlangan. Something like that. What is an Empress card? There's a bakit yung Empress card dito? May babae na kasama nila na maaaring nakakita. There's a Three of Pentacles for collaboration and the Empress card, something, a girl. Maaring may babae dito na maaring nakakita or nakatuklas or nakaalam what's going on. Or meron ditong babae na merong related behind the scenes, something like that. What is the Hangman? Something. Okay, the Hangman represents something, a King of Wands, so there's a reverse, So meron daw ditong kumbaga na manipulate or something na parang na-stuck sa situations like naipit na ganan na parang from that person na merong nagkaalitan. I feel something nagkaalitan talaga. And the Page of Wands, something a beliefs, Meron ditong ito yung sinasabi na maaaring meron dito pinaniwalaan or parang may paniniwala dito or meron ditong pinagsaselosan. Meron tungkol about sa relasyon. I feel something. No, kasi there's the lovers in the page of wands in reverse. No, there's something of belief, no? Meron ditong parang pinaniwala or may pinaniwalaan na may issue or something ganito, ganyan. May gossip, may chismis. So, yun yun. Parang nagkaroon ng misunderstood. So, what is the page of swords? Represent with the queen of swords. No, clear the boundaries. Na parang meron ditong naging meron nga, no? Meron ditong there's something gossip. No, may gossip dito, guys. Ayun na. Sinasabi ko rin kanina sa baraha. There's a gossip and there's an independent. No, parang meron ditong kumbaga dahil sa pinaniwalaan, dahil sa nalaman, gato ganyan. Meron ditong parang gustong linisin yung paligid or something ganan. Na clear the boundaries. What is the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? There's something in Ace of Pentacles. Okay, there's something at big money and big opportunities, big material offer. So, meron din ditong offer sa kanilang dalawa or maaring isa sa kanila may offer ditong malaking opportunities na maaring nagselos, no? Or nainggit, no? Mayroong ganong eksena. Mayroong malaking pera there's an involved, no? Or may malaking opportunities na involved, something like that. What is the Four of Wands and the Full card? Represent with the hyphen. Now, there's something, a lesson learned. Na meron daw ditong kumbaga matututunan o meron ditong parang natutunan. There's a tradition din at the same time. There's a dedications. No, parang meron ng gantong galawan no, from the past situations. No? Ngayon lang naging viral. Something like that. What is the Empress card? Because the Three of Pentacles. Parang there's a belief systems na paniniwala na maling sistema na kailangan na mabago. Ganon. Baka nakaugalian na ng tao na gumawa sa kanila or kumbaga, I feel something hindi siya tragedy Hindi siya yung parang tragedya or something. Kumbaga, there's a reason. May dahilan yun kung bakit nangyari yon. Now, there's the world. Nakita may ahas dito, may traidor. So, ibig sabihin, may babae dito maaring related at connected dito sa situations nila. Na mayroong ahas or trumaydor. What is the Hangman across the King of Wands? In reverse, there's a judgment. Now, there's something of wake-up call. May paalala na No, meron ng paalala sa kanila na parang pinigilan na to na tumuloy or pinigilan na tong pumunta. I feel panigilan to ng nanay niya pero hindi siya kumbaga nagpa-pigil, no? Let's see what is additional messages with the lovers in the page of Wands in reverse. There is something that's Ten of Pentacles. No, there is something a destiny. Talaga nakatadhana na maaring maganap to. No, na mangyari na talaga to. No, and of course, there's something they can tend on something burden. Na meron bigat dito na maaring daladala. Or meron ditong bagay na maaring magbigay no, ng bigat sa situations na to. Sa taong may kinalaman dito. Na maaring there's an overloaded. No, magiging mabigat daw. Na ang magiging pasakit nun. And of course, there's an Ace of Wands. So, there's a plan. Plano na pala. Na there's a plan. No? Plano na talaga siya. Kasi may bagong oportunidad daw sa dalawa na to. It's either kay Rene or kay Divine. No? Isa sa kanila ay maaaring may opportunities na darating or may offer sa kanila. Pero parang nainggit. No? And this is a King of Pentacles. Secure. Non-practical. No? Kumaga, kailangan lang ditong hindi sila naging practical sa situation. Parang nakaramdam na sila ng ng instinct na ganun yung magiging possible na maaaring mangyari. Pero parang hindi nila pinasawalang bahala, ganon. And there's a Strength card in reverse. Now there is something self-doubt. So nagkaroon sila ng kumbaga kahinaan ng kalooban, ganon. No, dapat nakinig sila sa nararamdaman nila. Parang nanghihina sila dun sa part na yon. And there's a Seven of Wands. Now in reverse, now there's a giving up. So meron parang kulang sa protection din, no? Parang kulang sa guide, no? Yung mga nangyari dito. Let's see additional messages. And of course, there's something. There's a revelation. May marireveal. No, may marireveal dito tungkol sa isang family. No, may marireveal tungkol sa isang family connected or something. And there's something at Two of Wands in reverse. Plan falling apart. So, see, ano man plano na ginawa or nangyari, there's a falling apart, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga malalaman pa rin what is the hidden agenda behind the scenes. So, kumbaga meron talaga ditong kumbaga chismis or insulting, no? Na insulto, na nasaktan, no? And there's the sun card, no? In reverse. No, there's a lack of happiness. So, parang meron ditong, kumbaga hindi naging, parang nainggit or parang hindi naging maligaya dun sa magiging eksena nitong dalawang tao na to. Nainggit, at the same time, there's jealousy. So, talaga nainggit dahil sa may opportunities na darating sa dalawa. Or meron ditong offer, no? Isa sa kanila, ganan. So, let's see, clarify pa natin. No, yung pagkamatay ba nila is talagang trahedya ba or yung nangyari sa kanila ay hindi ba coincident or sinadya ba or anything? Alamin natin. Now, there is the king and queen in reverse. Insecurity. May inggit nga. Abusive, manipulative. Meron daw dito nagmanipula. No? At meron daw dito na inggit. And the six, there's something related to friend, familiarity. So, there's something kasama nila, no, na maaring na inggit. And there's an Eight of Pentacles, no? Ibig sabihin dito on working on it. So, talagang pinapakita dito na maaring nakakasama nila, no? Kanina, there's a Hierophant now represents something educations or something teaching a lesson. So, meron dun ba, kumbaga meron dun related about sa isang tao na maaring may kinalaman about sa education. So, maaring mayroong nagtuturo or merong, oh my God, no, maaring konektado yung guys, no, yung kanilang leader doon. Or, ano ba yung tawag doon? May tawag doon eh. There's something leader, no? And there's a Two of Swords. With the Knight of Cups, no, there's something an offer, no, difficult decision. So meron daw ditong parang kumbaga mabigat daw, no, na nagkaroon ng inner conflict, no, yung kumbaga meron siyang hidden agenda. There's an intention itong tao na to. Kaya nag-offer siya ng ganun. So talagang planado, no, yung ganung nangyari. There's a plan. So let's see, ano maaring mangyari or maaring mangyari sa cases nila. So, ano yung magiging development? What's going on? Ay! Malala may hidden agenda. There's a hidden enemies. Meron talaga. No, at may maiipit makukulong. May maiipit at makukulong dyan. So, sinadya. There's a Six of Pentacles na meron about sa give and receiving. So, maaaring may binayaran dito. Or meron ditong about sa support or help. No? Something. Ayun nga, support or help. May sumusupport or tumutulong. There's a Queen of Pentacles. So, si babae. No, there's a Six of Swords. Maaring tatakas to. No, or maaring nga alis to ng bansa. There's something na planning. No, meron ditong, there's a mother figure ako na sense dito. Or there's something, a girl, or babae related. Konektado dito. So, let's see. What is the additional messages with an angel spirit? Ano pa maaring masagot sa energy ng dalawa na to? Marami silang pangarap. No, there's something a wish, no? There's a wish fulfillment. So, meron silang gustong matupad. No, entering the world. No, pero, okay, there's something recovery. Ibig sabihin nito, no, makaka-recover yung mga nangyari. Ibig sabihin dito, matutuldukan or matatapos tong issue na to. Meron talaga makukulong, guys. There's something a doubting intuition. So, meron talaga silang kabakutob na naramdaman pero hindi sila nag-pay attention. So, yun yun. Naramdaman na nila yung ganong senyales pero hindi, nag-go pa rin sila. So, let's see. For a last message, no? Gusto ko malaman kung sino yung totally may kinalaman sa eksena na yon. So, gusto ko malaman, no? Kumbaga, nasa paligid lang ba nila? Circle of friends or circle of people? Let's see. There's a sneakiness, there's a betrayal. So talaga meron dito nagsisinungaling. Ibig sabihin talaga, related sa kanila. So ibig sabihin nakasama nila during that time. So, kumbaga, yung kasama nila dun sa time na yon, meron dun na nag-betray, meron ditong kasinungalingan sinasabi nila, merong hindi totoo. No, there's some seven of cups, confusion. No, meron ditong parang not being distracted by other things. So talagang gustong guluhin lang, no, or i-distract, no? And there's a Five of Swords. Gigisahin daw to sa sariling mantika. So, there's a possibility na, kumbaga, itong tao na to, kumbaga, nainggit siya. Kasi, kumbaga, or maaaring there's an opportunity na maaaring darating dito, or nainggit tong tao na to, kaya gumawa ng eksena, na parang na-insulto, may something behind the scenes, no? Nasaktan yung tao na yun, kaya gumawa ng eksena. Very sarcastic daw, guys. No, manipulative yung tao na yun. There's a shadow work represent what? Lilitaw pa rin. Ibig sabihin, malalaman kung sino tong may kinalaman behind the scenes. What is a shadow work? There's a hidden desire. So, talagang meron ditong, kumbaga, malalim, no, na maaaring may isa katuparan or maaaring mangyari. What lies na talaga. Subukan natin bigyan ng what lies, guys. From what lies. Running away. So, meron daw dito tatakas, guys. No? There's something running away. Susubukan daw umalis nitong tao na to. Yung gumawa ng eksena. Susubukan takasan. No? Kailangan masolusyonan to as soon as possible. Kasi parang balak nitong umalis ng bansa. No? So, guys, this is something an urgent facility para sa dalawang atleta na student, no? Oh my God, student sila ng Ateneo de Manila or something. O, di ba? So, maraming salamat po. And of course, ito ay paong gabay lamang upang masilip yung mga bagay na nangyari na nangyari, no, sa kasalukuyan or nangyari sa nakaraan, no? Talagang ibinigay lang to na maaaring magbigay gabay sa kanila, no, para matuklasan na nangyari behind the scenes. No, I feel makukulong yung kumbaga may sala. Hindi siya hindi siya coincident, no? Hindi siya yung kumbaga biglaan, trahedya, ganon, aksidente, hindi. Kumbaga, there's a planning, sinadya siya. So, guys, once again, ito ay pawang gabay lamang. So, pwede mangyari, pwede hindi nangyari, ganon. Then, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the question bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sample support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang dinigit-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo. Nandiyan, may kapal. Siksik, umapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. And babush.